everyone, welcome to JK Exam Cracker. My name is Tanya Bro. So as you all know कि JNK में JNK पुलिस की वैकेंसीज आउट हो चुकी हैं, वैकेंसीज नहीं, एक नोटिफिकेशन आउट हो चुका है, वैकेंसी अनऑफिशियल नोटिफिकेशन, जहां पर 800 पोस्ट आप स्टूडेंट्स के लिए डेफिनेटली रिलीज होने वाली हैं। एंड आप सभी स्टूडेंट्स जानते हैं दैट हमारे चैनल पर हम हमेशा आपके लिए कुछ ऐसे गेस्ट लेकर आते हैं जो आपके लिए काइंड ऑफ हम कह सकते हैं कि आइडियल होंगे, बिकॉज आप सभी स्टूडेंट्स जानते हैं कि जिस कंडीशन में या जिस फेज को आप लोग ऑलरेडी लाइफ में फेस करने वाले हैं या जिस स्टेट पर आप लोग पहुंचने वाले हैं, तो ऑब्वियसली अगर आप उस स्टेट पर जो ऑलरेडी पर्सन उस लाइफ को जी रहा है, अगर आप उसके बारे में सीखेंगे, उनसे कुछ सीखेंगे, तो डेफिनेटली आपको मोटिवेशन मिलेगी। सो टुडे वी हैव अ वेरी स्पेशल गेस्ट विद अस, मिस्टर रक्षित शर्मा, एंड इन्होंने 16th रैंक सिक्योर किया है। जो लास्ट JNK पुलिस का रिक्रूटमेंट हुआ था, उन्होंने 16th रैंक सिक्योर किया है। तो डेफिनेटली ही इज हैविंग सो मेनी थिंग्स टू टेल यू अबाउट। सो रक्षित, आप अपने बारे में कुछ बताएंगे?
Thank you so much, first of all, for calling me over. I mean, I secured 16th rank in selection, so I just want to bring it out at the earliest that there are 15 people who are ahead of me. So I'm not the best one to guide anyone, but then I always believe because we have all been experienced in our lives that we always pick up something from someone, and some strategy of some person might land up somewhere. So I'm very thankful to you for having me over, and so that's about it. I mean, we've recently passed out from academy. I secured rank 1 overall.
Okay,
And it's been great last 3 months over here. Thank you.
Okay. So, how did you started your preparation? Is there any inspiration you get from?
I'll be very honest to you. I mean, we can all say a lot of things when we secure a job or so and so. But I think the primary inspiration for everyone is a job, is an employment. I have had a journey which has seen a lot of things. I was in India. I left India because of some reasons. I prepared for UPSC, state services. I couldn't make it through. I was working with a lot of papers as a columnist, this and that. But there comes a point in your life जब आप चाहते हो कि you actually stand somewhere on a very permanent basis. So I think that was the time when JNK police selections were taking place, and it just got through. And मैंने हमेशा believe किया, and I think it's common for all the aspirants also जो इस एग्जाम के लिए तैयार कर रहे हैं. आप सब ने भी अपनी लाइफ में you would have all been Indian Army, Air Force, Navy aspirants. Half of you would have had NCC in your college. आप में से कितने लोगों ने CDS, SSB दिया होगा, select नहीं हुए होंगे. Maybe that's why you are aspiring. But I just want to make it very clear because I have completed 2 years in Indian Police, and I say it with my collars up, with my head held high, that JNK Police and Police Services is one of the most dynamic services in the sense जो opportunity ये आपको देता है, to be able to deal with the society and to learn so many facets. And you're not just fighting an enemy, you're fighting people who are within you, or people who are around you, and to be able to figure out something wrong in them and to tell someone जो आपका अपना ही है that he is doing wrong, it takes more guts. So that's why I want to inspire everyone that you must feel proud that you are preparing for that.
So, Rakshit, there are many students who were preparing for JNK Police and they have now shifted to JKSSP recruitments also, right? And अभी उनके लिए बहुत अच्छा चांस है because now vacancies are going to out. तो बहुत अच्छा चांस है. तो कुछ mistakes definitely वो past में कर रहे होंगे कि उनका selection नहीं हुआ. So उनके लिए कोई guidance या फिर आपको कुछ assistance उनको देना चाहते हो?
I will have a very simple thing for you. I mean, first of all, and it's not because I'm sitting here, a lot of people आप toppers interviews पढ़ते हैं, ये पढ़ते हैं, वो पढ़ते हैं. I will just request all of you, it's a very earnest request from someone who's been in preparation phase काफी लंबे टाइम से. Don't make toppers as gods. Please do not make toppers as gods. Because at the end of the day, everyone is a human. अगर 12th December 2018 को मेरी selection हुई, so 11th December 2018 तक I was also a failure. And just because my result comes next day, so I don't become a god. So don't make any topper as a god. Whatever you have been doing, keep doing it, revise more, solve more, and that's it. Keep it very, very simple. Read as less as you can about a topper. Stick to one, but revise as much as you can, and just believe in yourself. It's more about revision, and I think at the end of the day, we all know what wrong we did.
Exactly. I want to add a few points. जैसे कि सर ने कहा कि आपका हार्ड वर्क है, आप ही को पता है. ऐसी जब भी आप प्रिपरेशन करते हैं, आप लोग अपने मन में, किसी और का तो छोड़िए, अपने मन में 1% भी डाउट आपको नहीं रहना चाहिए कि मुझसे ये ना छूट जाए या वो ना छूट जाए. आपकी प्रिपरेशन बेस्ट होगी, डेफिनेटली आपको लाइफ में किसी ना किसी टाइम पे जो आपको चाहिए आपको डेफिनेटली मिलेगा. एंड आपके साथ हम लोग ऐसे बहुत सारे कैंडिडेट्स, ऐसे बहुत सारे जो अटेन कर चुके हैं लाइफ में उन पोस्ट को, या जो वो अटेन करना चाहते हैं, हम लोग लेके आएंगे. एंड एक और क्वेश्चन मेरा आपसे है, जब आपने प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट किया या जब आपके टाइम पे वैकेंसीज आ गई तो द पैटर्न वाज टोटली चेंज्ड,
Right.
बिकॉज यूपीएससी पैटर्न टोटली आ चुका था, तो वर देयर एनी हिंड्रेंसेस दैट यू फेस्ड?
I think because as you all would be aware, the first stage was physical test. So I think मेरे सारे बैचमेट्स जो सेलेक्ट हुए, they all take a lot of pride in the fact कि हम लोग पहले फिजिकली फिट होके आए हैं, बिकॉज हम एक उस फोर्स को ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, फिजिकल फिटनेस इज अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग पार्ट. सो वी कैन ऑल बी वेरी प्राउड ऑफ द फैक्ट कि जो स्टेजेस में चेंजेस आए थे, they were for the good. Though I do admit that because of physical exams, a lot of people who are intellectually very sound, they couldn't make it through to the next stage. You know, a lot of things come down, but because you are trying to enter a service which is a smart service, so we were all happy that the stages took place in the way it did take place.
Okay.
And I'll just add one more thing to, you know, the last thing you were asking me, कि हम सारे exams देते हैं, what thing, you know, I would like to tell someone from their last attempts. A lot of you ask me or others or even them, they are the honorable faculty over here, कि सर हम क्या कट ऑफ होता है, कहाँ पे, you know, we draw a line. It's a very simple request to all of you. Don't ever think about a cut off, please. Some of you have those mental things, you know, grained in you. 71 पे खत्म कर देना, 74 पे खत्म करना, 84 पे. If you know 99 answers, you will answer 99. If you know 20 answers, you will answer 20. If you know 50, you will answer 50. So don't create those barriers. A lot of you are, I think this is why a lot of people who are good are not making through, because they go with those mental barriers that, you know, यहाँ पे हमें line draw करनी है. Go express yourself. You will not get a chance to express yourself time and again. You know, max, attempt max, please.
Exactly. As you said, आप लोग अपने लिए बैरियर्स कभी भी ड्रॉ मत कीजिए, बिकॉज स्टूडेंट सोचते हैं कि एक काइंड ऑफ प्री अजम्पशन होता है कि स्टूडेंट सोचते हैं 70 कट ऑफ होगा तो मुझे 70 ही स्कोर करना है. तो ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होना चाहिए. आपको पढ़ना है उस 100 मार्क्स के लिए, उस 120 मार्क्स के लिए, एंड आपको उसमें से मैक्सिमम स्कोर करना है. आपको ऐसा नहीं सोचना है कि मेरा 20th रैंक आ जाएगा, मेरा इतना रैंक आ जाएगा. आपको प्रिपेयर करना है रैंक 1 के लिए. देन एग्जामिनेशन लेवल पे आपकी प्रिपरेशन पे डिपेंड करता है कि आपका क्या स्कोर रहता है. राइट. वन मोर क्वेश्चन. अभी जैसे कोविड कंडीशंस में एग्जामिनेशंस डेफिनेटली पोस्टपोन होने वाले हैं, जो अभी लाइंड अप थे वो भी पोस्टपोन हो चुके हैं, तो स्टूडेंट्स हैव सो मच ऑफ टाइम टू प्रिपेयर. राइट. अभी वैकेंसीज आउट हुई हैं, ऑफिशियल नोटिफिकेशन नहीं आया है, तो अभी उनको प्रीवियस पैटर्न के बेसिस पे रिटन एग्जामिनेशन की प्रिपरेशन करनी चाहिए या फिर उनको साथ ही साथ फिजिकल के लिए भी प्रिपेयर करना चाहिए?
I'll answer it in two parts. First of all, physical prepare करना is very important, because मैंने ये देखा है, there were so many of my friends who were intellectually so sound but they could not get through the stage 1. So कोई फायदा नहीं, you know, you start preparing for stage 2 जो written exam. I'm speaking about my pattern. I mean, what was their last time? So if you're not clearing stage 1, आप मे बी ऑल इंडिया रैंक 1 ला पाओ यूपीएससी में बाद में, बट आप स्टेज 2 तक पहुंचे नहीं. So please keep yourself in tune so that, you know, you're good enough to clear 1.6 kilometers in 6.3 minutes. तो आप फिजिकल फिटनेस के लिए ट्राई करते रहिए. एंड सेकेंडली, मैम ने पूछा व्हाट इज अ गुड टाइम टू प्रिपेयर फॉर स्टेज 2. देयर इज नो गुड टाइम एंड नो टाइम इज इनफ टाइम. टाइम मिल रहा है तो पढ़ो. अगर आपके पास 2 महीने होंगे आप तब भी पढ़ोगे, आपको तब भी हिस्ट्री खत्म करनी है, आपको तब भी लक्ष्मीकांत खत्म करना है, आपको तब भी स्पेक्ट्रम खत्म करनी है, एनसीईआरटी खत्म करनी है. आपके पास 2 साल होंगे, आपको तब भी करना है. बट आई बिलीव इन दिस थिंग, द पीपल हु स्टे कंसिस्टेंट, you know, whenever एक notification आगे हो जाती है, are the ones who take 50% head start to the people who were always good. So consistency is important. Never think time है, because no one knows tomorrow. So just be at it. Don't stop. Competition is huge, and you cannot be very certain about your position. So if you have time, just keep preparing it.
So any books recommendations for the students?
I'll keep it very simple. Very simple again. Because the syllabus is not out, but there is a thing called general studies. General studies is something जो I think सबसे छोटे एग्जाम से लेकर इंडिया के टॉप शॉट एग्जाम तक it's similar. So I'll keep it very basic. For history, you have 3 components, which is ancient, medieval, and modern. I don't think art and culture हमारे यहाँ पूछा जाएगा. I don't think that. So modern history के लिए, please close your eyes. Just only read one book, that is Spectrum. It's a very good book. It's a huge book. It's got 800 pages. छोटी book है. It's written by an IPS officer. Very nice book, and I think everyone who's in aspirational stage understands, and he is aware of that book. So please close every other book. I know it sounds very fancy कि select होने के बाद बोलो मैंने वो NCERT पढ़ी, मैंने वो NCERT पढ़ी, but I'll be very honest, just stay to that. For ancient and medieval, for medieval, you can always pick up any book of Tamil Nadu boards. That's there in the market. It's for 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, because I believe जो हमारी NCERT है, they are too deep. You know, and the amount of questions we get about medieval history वो से हमारा निकलेगा नहीं. And for ancient again, because over the years मैंने जो देखा हुआ है there are 6 topics which are time and again asked in ancient history. So if you focus on just those 6 topics, I think आपके questions निकल जाएंगे. It starts from Indus Valley civilization. It's about Buddhism, Jainism, the Janpaths, the 6 schools of philosophy, the later Vedic age. So if you just focus on these things, you'll be through with history. For geography, you can read GC Leong for physical. Again, मैं आपको NCERTs नहीं suggest कर रहा because NCERTs then you will have to do everything from 6 to 12. I am telling you a very concise book list. For physical, you do GC Leong, and for Indian geography, just close your eyes, take a book called Majid Hussein's Indian Geography, and you can be rest assured for the rest of your life. For polity, do not listen to anyone. Just focus on Lakshmikant, and I think you all also focus on that Lakshmikant. It's always been the golden book, and I think for the next 100 years also, polity का हर question उसी किताब से निकलेगा. And are we left with anything? I think science.
Yeah.
Sciences के लिए
Portion is there.
you can look around.
Computer portion is there.
Computer के लिए I'm not very cool with that. I think ma'am will be the right person. And for NCERT, just you know, be very basics with your NCERTs from 6 to 12. ऊपर से you don't need to get into very depth of it. They generally focus on types of forces, types of hormones and enzymes. Just go through that and it should be good.
Okay. One more question regarding the exams. Like there are many exams in the syllabus. We have many subjects. Like we have mental ability, we have reasoning, we have computers, we have English. Then we have general studies part. We have economics, politics. There are many subjects are there in the syllabus. So, what are the major subjects that students should focus on as per your exam pattern? जो आपके exam का pattern था, उसके according कौन से subjects हैं जो weightage के हिसाब से जिनका maximum weightage रहता है question paper में?
I think we always go. There are 4 components which are always close to my heart, and because the faculty can also, you know, corroborate that: polity, modern history, geography, and current affairs.
Okay.
So if you just stay with that, you should be good to go.
So you are living the life that you have been preparing for so long, right? So how is it going?
It's an extraordinary feeling. I mean, I am right now not in a direct policing role. I'm on an academic project somewhere. But it's been lovely. We people got a chance to do COVID duties, and I'm very proud of my batchmates. मैं जहाँ जाता हूँ, I always tell that right now, if you know you see actual cream of JNK somewhere, you see it in the batch of 2016, and I'm super proud of my batchmates. They're all doing lovely work, and I hope we get much more opportunities, and all the very best to the batches ahead.
Okay. At last, any motivational thing or motivational line for the students so that they'll get motivated and start preparing today only?
It's simple. Listen, I mean, again, one thing which I always want to say is not say big things. मैं आपको एक चीज बताऊंगा जब when you know passing out had happened and I was asked by one of the interviews in news channels to say one motivational line. I just told them ज़्यादा बड़े ख्वाब देखने की जरूरत नहीं है. You don't start aiming for stars and moons. Aim for the next thing, but don't do next thing in a mediocre way. Wherever you go, whatever you go, make a name for yourself. Because you know we start planning for stars and planets and moons and so, and we don't land up anywhere. So just aim for the next thing. Right now, the only thing you should, you know, be bothered about in your life is ये exam कैसे निकालना है. And after that, you should be bothered that you make a name for yourself. So just be thrilled by the fact कि अच्छा देना है. You want to look different. You should look different because you deserve to be different. And I think that should be the biggest motivation. Because if you look different, your parents look different. And the moment your parents look different, there cannot be more satisfying feeling to you and to your family. So I think it should be encouraging enough.
Thank you so much, Mr.
Thank you, my
for
pleasure.
joining
Thank
us.
you.
And I hope students, आप सभी students को motivation मिला होगा and इनका journey देखकर, इनका preparation देखकर आपको भी अभी एक guidance मिल गया होगा कि आपको किस तरीके से इसके लिए prepare करना है. Definitely जब भी official notification आता है, syllabus आता है, हम आपको update जरूर करेंगे. Thank you so much for joining.
Thank you.